First, Jaydeep.
Yes, sir. Which district is famous in Telangana for the handloom and the powerloom industry? The
Okay.
Nalgonda district is famous in Telangana for the handloom and the powerloom industry. And what is the definition of khadi?
Wait. One first question is what is the answer?
Sir, Nalgonda district, sir.
Nalgonda district. What about others? Is it same?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
sir. Yes, sir.
Drona,
Yes, sir.
Harsha,
Yes, sir. Same.
what about your video? Okay, good. Next, Lohini. What about the next answer? Lohini. What is the next question and what is the next answer? Lohini, are you there? Just tell me what is the next question and what is the next answer.
Sir, did you call me?
Yeah.
Okay, sir. Top 10 states in India which do cotton cultivation in order. The first Gujarat, second Maharashtra, third Telangana, fourth Karnataka, fifth Andhra Pradesh, sixth Haryana, seven Madhya Pradesh, 8 Rajasthan, 9 Punjab, 10 Tamil Nadu.
Yeah, good. So Telangana is in third position according to your survey. What about others?
Sir, it is same, sir.
Same.
Yeah, sir.
Same, sir.
So any changes in the order for others?
No, sir.
It's same.
It's same.
Yes,
Good.
sir. It's
Yes, sir.
exactly the same, sir.
Exactly the same.
Sir, can you hear me now?
Yeah, Idar.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, you're connected with the other device.
Fine.
Okay, good. Idar, what is the next answer? Next question and answer.
Sir,
What is the next question and answer?
sir, third question.
Yeah.
Write down the top 10 states in India for the cotton cultivation. The answer is Gujarat, Maharashtra, Telangana, Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh, Haryana, Madhya Pradesh, Rajasthan, Punjab, and Tamil Nadu.
This is second one, right?
So,
These are
second, sir.
This is the second question, right? I'm asking about the third question.
Sir, third question only, sir.
Drona, what is the third question?
Sir, third question is which is the date of the what is the date of the monsoon? Starting date of the monsoon 2021, sir.
Yeah. Idar?
Sir, the answer is onset moon is likely to enter India, Kerala, to take place by 3rd June 2021.
Okay, sorry. When is the third June? Tomorrow, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay. Apart from this, I asked anything?
Sir?
Sir, that is what is the definition of khadi and its importance, sir?
Yeah. So Sri Harsha, we'll give chance to Sri Harsha this one. Sri Harsha, are you there? Sri Harsha, are you there? Jaydeep, you can continue.
Okay, sir. The khadi is an hand-woven natural fiber cloth. The khadi was a whole movement started by Mahatma Gandhi. It promoted an idea that Indians could be self-reliant on cotton and be free from the high-priced goods and clothes which British sold to them.
Okay. So what about others? What do you find out from that? Lohini, what's your answer for Khadi?
Sir, I got the same answer.
Yeah, just read out your answer. Unmute yourself, Lohini. Hello. Unmute yourself and you can speak, Lohini. Drona, you can continue.
Yes, sir. Khadi is a herbal material used was advised by Mahatma Gandhi, father of the nation Mahatma Gandhi, in the Swadesh movement. Instead of wearing important British clothes, wear only Indian herbal clothes called khadi, sir.
Good. So what is the central government company promoting the Khadi? What is the central government company promoting the Khadi? Okay. Today's homework is, who is promoting Khadi as an ambassador in Telangana? Okay. Who is promoting the Khadi as ambassador in the Telangana and in the India?
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Okay.
Edad,
Sir, can you repeat the homework again?
who is the ambassador of Khadi in Telangana and India? Who is the ambassador of the Khadi for promoting the Khadi in Telangana and in India?
Okay, sir.
Okay. Then what is the definition you got for Khadi? Edad, what is the definition you got for Khadi?
Sir, for Khadi,
Yeah. What you wrote?
sir, Khadi fabrics are handmade products so last longer and can be easily washable. And I have other points also, sir. Shall I tell?
Continue.
Khadi is the hand-spun and hand-woven fabric and fully natural fabric obtained from raw cotton. Khadi cotton clothes can be worn in any season and is very comfortable. Khadi fabric has the unique property of keeping the wearer warm in winter and cool in summer.
Sorry, sir. I just accidentally left your class.
Sorry.
Stuck. I was stuck suddenly. So
Okay.
can I tell?
Yeah, you can tell. So what is the answer you got?
The answer in India, Khadi was a whole movement started by countries for independence. Icon Mahatma Gandhi. The Khadi movement promoted an idea that Indians could be self-reliant on cotton and be free from the high-priced goods and clothes which the British were selling to them during the rule. I got that answer, sir.
Okay. Good. So everyone has done the good job. You have done the homework well. Very good. Lohini?
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. So we'll continue with the class. So last class we discussed up to
Sir, the ginning process.
Yes, sir. The ginning machines and process.
spinning machine and all. Okay, about the cotton we discussed, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So what is the meaning of ginning? Okay, first before this, tell me what is the important climatic conditions required for cotton?
Sir, plenty of sunshine and
One
mild.
by one.
Sir,
Yeah, Drona first. Next, Jaydeep, I will give you a chance.
Okay,
yes,
sir.
Yeah.
Plenty of sunset and plenty of sun, not too cool, not too cold, not so hot. Plenty of sun, sir. It should be mild, sir, and it should be about 23 to 27 degrees, sir.
Okay. Next.
Finish, sir.
Yeah, Jaydeep, what about the soil conditions required for the cotton?
Sir, black soil, sir, and alluvial soil.
Yeah. What is the black soil? And one more homework I have given for you, right? See the type of soil which is present in your forest plots. See the type of soil which is present in your forest plots. Yes or no?
Yes,
Yes, sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Nobody has shown that one.
No, sir.
No
Sir,
problem.
I saw it was a red soil.
Who is this, right? Lohini?
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay, good. So any doubts in this? Up to the cotton?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No. Okay, now we will discuss about the how cotton is made into the fabrics. Till now we discussed how cotton plant is grown, what are the climate conditions required, what type of soil is required, and what are the different stages in the growth of the plant, what is a cotton flower, what is the cotton balls, everything we discussed till now, right? So once we are getting the cotton right, then we will send the cotton to the industries. So what is the first process in the industry?
Sir, removing the seeds
Sir,
from the
ginning process.
sir.
The removing the
Ginning
seeds from the cotton is called as in ginning. So ginning is the
Yes,
first
sir.
process we will do in the cotton industry, right? Suppose
Yes, sir.
if you want to remove the seeds from the with the help of the human power, it will take a lot of time, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
So
sir.
with the help of the machines, we can do this process very fast. So what are the machines these called as in? These are called as in ginning
Ginning
mills
machines.
or ginning machines.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So this is the ginning machine in the industry. What is happening? They will put the cotton from here. From here until the cotton seeds will be removed. Afterwards, the cotton, deseeded cotton will come in the bottom of the machine.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Then what is the use of that seeds again?
Then we'll replant the cotton plant again, and then the seeds will come again. So we reproduce
It's a
it.
cycle, sir.
It's a complete cycle, right?
Sir,
So
it's called
again they will
Sir.
mix some chemicals with the cotton seeds.
Yes, sir.
So again they will seed plant in the
Soil.
again they will keep
Let's-
in the soil, so it will again go in the plant. Again cotton will get. So it's a complete cyclic process.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then after the ginning, what you will do?
Carding.
Carding. What is a carding? What is a carding? So after the deseeded cotton is there, right?
Yes, sir.
We'll make the deseeded cotton means there is some small pieces will be there, right? Cotton initially.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Someone background noise is coming. Please check that one. Okay. So after removing the seeds from the cotton will become small pieces, right? Now we have to make that small piece of the cotton into thin sheets. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
The making of the small pieces of the cotton or the disentangled cotton into the thin sheets is called as an carding. Understanding?
Yes, sir.
So the rolls means what? The circular.
The small pieces.
Can you see this one?
Sir. That
Yes,
wrap around a
Yes,
pole.
sir.
Can you
That
see this one?
wrap around a cylinder.
Yeah. So these are the rolls. Whenever they are passing the cotton through these rolls, it will form into the thin sheets. Okay, that is called as an carding. So carding is also done with the help of the carding machine. Okay. So during this process,
Okay,
what
sir.
will happen? The rolls will untangle and straighten the cotton into the thin sheets. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
So
sir.
so this is a carding machine. You can see here. Then afterwards carding, what you will do?
Weaving.
Weaving.
So I think we discussed about the weaving, right, in the last class.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
or
sir.
no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
The silver of the cotton fiber is converted into the yarns. What is the yarn?
A group of fibers.
First, fiber. Fiber to yarn. So what is this yarn?
The yarns are made up of a number of fibers twisted together.
Yarns are made up of?
Number of fibers twisted together.
Yeah. So we'll take the 2 or 3 fibers and we'll twist together to form the thick thread. The thread-like structure is called as an yarn. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So after the carding process, we'll make the fiber into the yarns by spinning. So the big reel of yarn is called as in what? Bobbins. What is the big reel of yarns?
Bobbins, sir.
The big reel of yarns is called as in bobbins. Suppose, can you see the thread, right? So if you are going to the stitching, if you go to the tailor, he has a big thread like white color bobbins will be there. Have you seen that one anytime?
Yes,
You go to
sir.
the tailor shop, you can see the white thread will be circled on the like a paper, not paper exactly. What you'll say that one? Okay, leave that one. So bobbins, I will show you a picture next class. Okay, how it will be.
Okay, sir.
If possible, it's not there here. Okay, so these bobbins are used to weaving the cloths. Then cloths will be woven on the looms. I hope already discussed about the looms, power loom industry, hand loom industry.
Yes,
Yes or
sir.
no?
Yes, sir.
So after the loom, after they preparing the fabrics, we'll clean the fabrics, right? Means they are bleached and dyed. What is the meaning of dyed?
Dyeing a color, sir. Dyeing a color.
Like turning it into blue or red or different colors.
Yeah, this
You
dyed is
know.
different. This dyed is different. I hope you know this one. Yes or no?
Yes, sir. Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
We do.
Sir.
What is the meaning of this dyed?
Uh,
Once a person is passed away from us, it's called dyed, right?
Yes, sir.
yes, sir.
If you change one letter from the I to Y, it is a dyed. Dyed means
It's a
Changing color.
coloring,
Yes.
Applying the color to the fabric.
applying the color to the fabric. Very good. Clear everything?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So what are the different process after getting the cotton?
Converting them into yarns by spinning using machines. And after that, woven in the looms and bleached in dyes, sir.
First one is a ginning. Ginning means de-seeding of the cotton from the cotton. Next one is a carding. Carding means whatever the small piece of the cotton is there, we'll make into the thin continuous sheets.
Converting into rolls of sheets of cotton.
Sheets of the cotton. Then after
And
that,
then weaving.
weaving. In the weaving process, first one is a conversion into the yarns. So yarns into the fabric.
Yarns into
Fabric.
Right?
Yes, sir.
So that is called then weaving. Again, weaving are two types, right?
yes, yes.
Yes, sir.
I have discussed that weaving two types. I think, yeah. Here we discussed it, right? Conversion from yarn to fabrics.
Yes, sir.
Yes. So I don't want to go again once again. Can I explain once again all the things? Already, can I explain this for 1 second or it's okay?
It's okay, sir.
Sir, it's okay.
Okay. So these are the two different yarns. We interlace at the right angle to each other to form the fabric. So these are the cotton industry where the fiber is connected to the fabric. You can see, right? So what is this?
Yes, sir.
What is this?
Sir, they applied the color to the cotton sheets.
No.
Dyeing it.
Dyeing will be done in a separate process. That is a different one. Here, after the carding, you will get the thin sheets of cotton, right?
Yes, sir.
So this is after the carding. So they will go into the machine to pay them into the fabrics. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Now you tell me what are the advantages of cotton before I am
Sir.
explaining you.
Sir, we can use cotton for making cotton clothes, sir.
Okay.
Sir,
And
it will
for
not
soft
absorb
clothes
heat,
and
sir.
lights.
Sir, it's very smooth and shiny.
Very smooth and shiny. Okay.
Sir,
Yeah.
it will not absorb heat and it will be cool. So they will wear it in summer.
Okay. Sriharsha, what is your answer? It's not clear.
Sir, he says that it's lighter and easier to wear in summer and hot temperatures, sir.
Okay. Sriharsha, are you there?
Yes, sir.
What happened today? Turn off your video. Edarth, what is your answer? What are the advantages of cotton?
Sir, it is good to wear it in sunny days, like in summer, and it's very soft and shiny, and it's very light to hold. And that's it, sir.
That's it. Now we can see that one. It is an inexpensive first, right? Generally, cotton cloths is not completely expensive one. It's a moderate cost.
Okay, sir.
What is the meaning of absorbent?
It's absorbent, sir. Means it can absorb moisture, sir.
Yeah, good. Sriharsh already said, right? It absorbs the sweat and water in the summer season. Yes, absorbent means it will absorb the moisture or any sweat from the body.
Yes, sir.
Breathable means it allows the air inside out, right? Outside will allows inside, and inside heat will be transferred to the outside. That is a breathable. Soft, you know what is a soft?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So mostly used in the preparation of the towels, bed sheets,
Towels, curtains,
contents,
sarees.
sarees.
Etc.
So these are some advantages of the cotton fabrics. What are the disadvantages then?
Sir, as it is a natural fiber, it will catch fire easily.
Resistance, sir.
Yeah, good.
Sir, okay.
What is the meaning of wrinkle resistance?
Wrinkles are something, the folds, sir. The folds we have on bed sheets, sir. Wrinkling.
Yeah. Suppose if you don't do the iron process now, it will, if you wrinkle the cloth, it will become a folded, unfolded, right?
Yes, sir. We have to iron. We have to use the iron to remove the wrinkling, sir.
Yeah, you have to use the iron boxes every time after the washing to remove the wrinkle. But if you use the artificial fibers now, it will be smooth only as it is, how it is will before. Okay. Next one. It will absorb more amount of water, right? To dip in the water,
And
the cotton will absorb more amount of water. So
yes,
it will
sir.
take somewhat longer time to dry.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Next. The color fades easily in the sunlight because generally we'll do dyeing process, right, for the cotton.
Yes, sir.
If you are washing continuously and keeping in the sunlight, the color will be fade easily.
Yes, sir.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
And compared to the elastic cloths, it will be less stress, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. It can tear easily if you
It can tear
stretch or-
easily. Stretchable is very less. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So any doubts in advantages and disadvantages?
No, sir.
No.
So what are the advantages once again? Wait. Siddharth, repeat that points.
Sir, the advantages are it's not expensive, it's soft, absorbent, and breathable. It is used to make towels, bed sheets, curtains, and other things. And that's it, sir.
Lohini, what are the disadvantages?
The disadvantages are it takes long time to dry up. It the color will fade in the sun, and some wrinkles will come if you don't iron the wrinkles.
Jay,
Sir, it will catch fire easily, sir.
yeah. Apart from these points, you know any other points? If you have any other points, you can tell me. Think, Jonah also.
Yes, sir.
I have mentioned only some, right? Only few points I have mentioned in the here. Apart from this, if you have any other points, you can tell me.
Sir,
Everyone.
it doesn't shine.
Lohini also.
Sir, it doesn't shine, sir.
Okay, doesn't shine much compared to the silk. Good point. Next,
And the color is doesn't have a good quality, sir. It doesn't take up a lot of color, sir.
sorry.
When we sir, when we dye the cloths, it doesn't take up colors. We have to dip it again and again to dye the complete cotton, sir.
Okay. Rohini, you have any points?
No, sir.
No, no problem. Siddharth,
No, sir.
Sri Harsha. Sri Harsha,
Yes, sir.
any other points apart from this?
Sir.
Any other points apart from this? Use of cotton.
Advantages or disadvantages?
Anything. Either advantages or disadvantages. Anything you can say.
Sir, advantages means they will not they will
They will not.
means we can wash them easily, sir, or means something, anything, dust or something.
Okay.
If it will fall on that, we can wash easily, sir, but on silk we cannot, sir.
Okay. So one more point. Whether the natural fiber is easily attacked by moth, right?
Yes,
or no?
sir.
Have you
Yes,
got this
sir.
point or not? Natural fibers are easily attacked by the moths or insects.
Yes,
Yes or
sir.
no? But
Yes,
artificial
sir.
fibers are moth resistant.
Yes, sir. They use different types of chemicals to make it mom's resistant, sir.
Yeah. So these are some advantages and disadvantages of cotton. I hope it is clear. Complete cotton topic. Still any doubts is there now? You can ask me.
No, sir.
No. Okay.
No, sir.
Okay, I will show you some
Sir,
videos.
what is today's homework?
What is today's homework? What is the question I have given for you? First question. Who is
Sir,
promoting the
Who is the
Khadi
ambassador promoting Khadi in Telangana and in India?
in India? Okay, good.
Sir, can you repeat again?
Drona?
Yes, sir. Ambassador of promoting Khadi in Telangana and in India. Okay, sir.
Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Okay. So I'll show some videos for you, okay?
Okay, sir.